Hello everyone, my name is Joe Habe. I'm an Evolve 365 learning strategist with Planet Technologies. Welcome to Tips and Tricks. Today I'd like to talk to you about Teams Webinar. The Teams Webinar feature allows you to create events without having to go through all of the hassle of designating producers and presenters. It also lets you send out registrations and download registration lists. Let's take a look. We start a Teams webinar like we would start a normal Teams meeting or live event. First, I'll navigate to the calendar and click the drop-down next to New Meeting and select Webinar. From this page, you can select if you want to require a registration to attend this webinar from this dropdown. Let's go ahead and add a title. I'll go ahead and title this Teams Meeting or Teams Webinar. And now let's add the required presenters. Just like a normal Teams meeting, we can select the date from this dropdown. We can select the time from this dropdown. And we can also add a brief description of what our webinar is going to be about. Now that we have our invite set up, let's go ahead and view the registration form by clicking this link. From this page, we can edit any details that are going to be going out to our registrants, and we can also change the description of the webinar. Below that, we can even create speaker bios that registrants will see when opening the registration link. Add the speaker name, and then the speaker bio below. Now I'll upload a banner image to make the invite look a little bit more modern. We're going to go to the top and click Upload an Image, and then upload an image again, and select the image that we would like to be our banner. We can move the image around to make sure the placement is correct, then select Done. Before I select Save, I'm going to select Copy Registration Link at the top so that I can send this out to registrants in an email. Select Save to save the registration form. And now we're ready to send this out to everybody. So click Send in the top right-hand corner. Now that I've successfully sent the invite, I'm going to click back into the webinar details. From here, I can edit the invite, or I can even download my registration report to get a read on who and how many people are going to be attending my webinar. And that's it. We have successfully drafted and sent a webinar invite to presenters. Hopefully this short video has helped you understand how you can create your own Teams webinars. If you'd like to be reached out to by a Planet Technologies learning strategist, go ahead and reach out to info@futureproofyourworkforce.com. Thank you and have a great day.